The Constitution of Malaysia is the supreme law of the country, providing the framework for its governance and defining the rights and responsibilities of its citizens. It was adopted on September 16, 1963, when Malaysia achieved independence from British colonial rule. The Constitution has been amended several times since then to reflect changing social, political, and economic circumstances. Here are some of the salient features of the Malaysian Constitution. 1. Federal system. Malaysia is a federal constitutional monarchy, consisting of 13 states and 3 federal territories. The power is divided between the federal government and the state governments, with specific powers allocated to each level of government. 2. Constitutional monarchy. Malaysia has a constitutional monarchy, with a hereditary monarch as the head of state. The Yang di-Pertuanagang, or king, is elected among the hereditary rulers of the 9 Malay states for a 5-year term. 3. Parliamentary democracy. Malaysia follows a parliamentary system of government, where the executive authority is vested in the Prime Minister and the Cabinet. The Prime Minister is the head of government, responsible for the administration of the country. 4. Fundamental liberties. The Malaysian Constitution guarantees fundamental liberties to its citizens, including freedom of speech, expression, assembly, and association. However, these rights are subject to certain restriction for the preservation of public order, morality, and national security. 5. Islam as the official religion. Islam is the official religion of Malaysia. However, the Constitution also guarantees freedom of religion to all Malaysians. Other religions are allowed to be practiced, and there is a provision for the protection of the rights and interests of other religious communities. 6. Bumi Putera policy. The Constitution contains provisions to promote the special position of the indigenous Malay and other Bumi Putera sons of the soil communities, aimed at redressing economic imbalances. These policies are implemented to ensure their socio-economic advancement and the preservation of their cultural identity. 7. Judiciary. The Malaysian Constitution establishes an independent judiciary to uphold the rule of law. The judiciary has the power of judicial review and is responsible for interpreting the Constitution and protecting individual rights. 8. Malay language. The Constitution designates the Malay language as the national language of Malaysia. However, the Constitution also provides for the use of other languages, particularly English, for official purposes. 9. Quotas and special provisions. The Constitution includes provisions for affirmative action programs, including quotas in education, employment, and business opportunities, to address historical imbalances among different ethnic groups. 10. Amendments. The Malaysian Constitution can be amended through a special legislative process. Certain provisions, such as those related to the monarchy, Islam, and the position of the Bumi Putera, require a 2/3 majority in Parliament for any amendments. It's important to note that this summary provides a general overview of the salient features of the Malaysian Constitution. The actual text of the Constitution contains more detailed provisions and considerations. Thanks for watching this video, and also subscribe Advocate Buzzard Shah channel.